Hello there. So today we're going to move to chapter 6. We talk about normal distribution. So when we do the histogram, and then we can look at the shape of the histogram, the total histogram we do. So we have that if the histogram form a bell shape like this, so we said that data is normally distributed. So we like to, whenever we like to use a data to make a decision or predict the future or something that we haven't seen in the present time or bigger population, then we would like our sample would be like this. And remember, when we have the normal curve like this, symmetric like this, so the mean, the mode right here, that high peak right here, that the mode, the mean and the median the same. So the map value right here in the middle right here, that the mean. And so what we want to do is try to find out, if I have the data over here, that I would like to see how far from the mean. So that concept that we use, the term it called we call that would be the z-score. That means how far you are from the mean that you have here. So the formula right here we take the value of what we want to looking at, and we subtract the mean and we divide standard deviation. Does that count how many that we had before? So we learn about that part. So we're going to use that to do this simple problem right here. So in a recent quiz, the class had 76 with the standard deviation of 3.1, and we want to find the z-score of a person who received a score 77. That means how far, I see how many standard deviation from the mean. That's what it meant right here. So let's do this. So we're gonna plug into the formula. So we have right here. So I have z right here, right? So over here, the person score, that what our x value that we have right here. So I can put over here, that would be 77. And then I subtract the mu right here. That means the mean right here, 76, I'm sorry. 76, and then I would divide the standard deviation over here, that would be 3.1. So this is not nice number, so we're going to put into calculator, and then we're going to compute to see how does that come out. So here my calculator, my calculator right here. So I gotta compute that part. So you see that I can put right there. So I can put over here, I put parentheses at the top. That would be, well, you know, the top is 1, you can do that. But if you don't know, then you get type directly like this, 76. Make sure you put parentheses around, and then you divide it by 3.1. And here you hit enter, and you have your answer in here. So that would be that part, the answer. They want the answer in 2 decimal place. So over here, so I will type in over here, that would be 0.32. That's it, right? So 2 decimal place. So 2 right here, I doubt it. So it not go up. Now they ask, is the data usual or unusual? So we're gonna take a look at usual and unusual. So we had before, when you talk about we compute the rule of thumb or the empirical rule about the standard deviation. So we talk about this right here, right? So we have about within 1%, I mean up 1%, up one, z-score 1 or down 1, that would be 68%, and 2, that would be 95%. So our here, that would be 99.7. So we have the rule over there. So more than 2 this way, or less than -2 this way, those area we call unusual. So our answer over here, 0.32, supported 32 somewhere over here, right here. So that would be not unusual. So in statistics, we never say like positive thing, but we say, okay, it's unusual that way. And this one, you say not unusual. You don't say usual. But this case here, you would choose like not unusual, because unusual had to be plus minus 3. So outside, that's this area right here to the right, and this area to the left. That would be unusual. Our data in here, so it's not unusual. So that would be the answer you submit. You should have correct answer for this. So now you can try your homework.